After signing into your Trojan app account, you will be welcomed to the home screen. On this screen, you will find options for your ongoing jobs, upcoming jobs, access to forms, coming in a future update, timesheets, reference materials, and your profile. Options found in your profile will be discussed later on. To view a call sheet that has been assigned to you, open the Upcoming tab. Here you will find a short summary of your upcoming job, which includes the client's name, estimated duration of the job, the shift start time, the LSD, and the job type. Selecting Call Sheet will open the full call sheet. Here you will find the additional information required for your job, such as travel time, required equipment, consultant's contact information, orientation information, accommodation arrangements, and additional comments from dispatch. To see the step-by-step directions to site, click on View Directions. If your consultant changes during the job, open your call sheet and scroll to Request Change. From here, you can select the new consultant. When dispatch moves your job from upcoming to ongoing, two additional options will appear: field paperwork and billing report. Billing reports are like today's daily cost. To create a billing report, press on Billing Report. Then select Create New Billing Report. From here, select the day you wish to create a billing report for. Confirm your client and LSD. Then continue. Next, enter the quantities of your billing items. Do not enter in a cost per item. For example, if you have 2 hours of overtime, enter 2. If you are charging for 100 kilometers, enter 100. A future update will make this more clear. To create a field ticket, select Billing Reports and then Create New Billing Report. Press the plus sign and then press Combined Field Ticket. Select the days you want added to the combined field ticket. You can add in any additional comments if needed. Then select if the job is complete or not. When ready, select Save and Submit. From your home screen, select Field Paperwork, then Equipment, and finally, Pick Tickets. Now select your pick ticket. If the shop has confirmed your equipment is ready for pickup, it will show as ready. If the shop hasn't confirmed your equipment, you can do so from here. To view your TDG, press TDG. Press Download PDF to receive a copy of the TDG. If a paper copy is not already with the air trailer, you will need to print this out, fill in the blanks, and add your signature. Close this page. If all additional equipment is marked as not ready, confirm each additional piece of equipment has been picked up. Finally, submit the pick ticket. To submit a time off request, open your profile in the bottom right-hand corner of the app. Next, select Manage Time Off. Press Create New Request. Enter the start date and time of your request, the end date and time, and the reason for your time off request. When you're ready to submit the request to management for approval, press Send Request. You will receive an email when the request has been approved by management. Closing and opening your profile will refresh the request to show the most up-to-date status. Please keep in mind that sending a request does not automatically guarantee the request will be approved. Open your profile and select Certificates. Next, select Add New Certificate. Choose the name of the certificate from the drop-down menu. Open the calendar and select the certificate expiry date. Next, upload a picture or scan of your certificate from your device. When ready, select Save and Submit to upload the certificate. Repeat these steps for other certificates.